Every day during the sprint, teams have a daily scrum, which is sometimes called a daily stand-up. Either name works, but officially, it's a daily scrum. The meeting is limited to no more than 15 minutes. A common mistake is to think of the daily scrum as just a status meeting. It's not. I think of it much more as a synchronization meeting. Sure, status is conveyed. I'm working on this, you're working on that, and she's working on the other thing. But the goal of the daily scrum is not just one-directional reporting of status. Rather, the goal is for team members to synchronize their efforts. We want to make sure that two people aren't unknowingly working on the same thing, or to realize that no one has started the important critical path task. And yeah, to know those things, team members convey status. Traditionally, each Scrum team member would answer 3 questions during this daily meeting. Those questions are no longer considered a mandatory part of Scrum, and I think that's an improvement. But for many teams, the 3 questions remain a great way to conduct the daily Scrum. The 3 questions team members would answer in the daily Scrum were, what did I do yesterday that helped meet the sprint goal? What will I do today to help meet the sprint goal? Are there any impediments that may prevent achieving the sprint goal? Notice that a moment ago I said each team member answers. I didn't say the Scrum Master asks each team member 3 questions. Sure, a new team will start out with the Scrum Master asking the 3 questions. But the 3 questions aren't that hard to remember. So after participating in a few daily Scrums, I'd really prefer to see the team shift into a mode where each person just answers the questions without being asked. When a Scrum Master or even another team member asks the questions, the daily Scrum starts to turn into merely a status meeting. I've been in daily Scrums where it felt like each team member was being interrogated by the Scrum Master, who peppered off each question to each team member. That's not the feeling you want in your daily Scrums. The daily Scrum is for the developers. It's their meeting. The Scrum Master facilitates, if necessary. However, the Scrum Master is not there to run the meeting. Instead, the Scrum Master is watching for conflict and impediments and ensures that everyone participates. Technically, the product owner is not required to attend, but I think that's a big mistake. All of the highest performing teams I've worked with have had product owners who did attend the daily Scrums. Most of these product owners participated by giving their own short updates. Your team's daily Scrum can occur at any time in the day, but you want to keep the time consistent. It helps everyone remember to show up.